Now the next point that we are going to study is what? First law relation for closed system. So what is first law relation for closed system? So this relation is what? Q minus W is equal to delta U. What is first law relation for closed system? Q minus W is equal to delta U. Now what is meant by Q? Where Q stand for heat transfer. What is meant by Q? Q stand for heat transfer and its unit is what? In kilojoule. Then W means what? Work done, and this work done is also in kilojoule, and we already studied what is meant by delta U. Delta U means what? Change in internal energy, and its unit is also in kilojoule. So first law relation for closed system is what? Q minus W is equal to delta U. Now we are going to study sign convention for heat transfer, then sign convention for work done. So now the first point is what? Sign convention for Q. What is meant by Q? Q means what? Heat transfer. If the value of Q is positive, if the value of Q is what? Positive, then it is what? Heat addition, or if value of Q is positive, then it is heat addition or heat input to the system. See the point. If Q is positive, it is heat addition or heat input to the system. If value of Q is what? Negative, then it is what? Heat rejection or heat output from the system. Okay, so this is sign convention for Q. Then sign convention for W means work done. So if the value of W is positive, if the value of W is what? Positive, if the value of W is what? Positive, then it is what? Work done by the system. It is what? Work done by the system or work output from the system. So sign convention for W, if W is positive, work done by the system or work output from the system. It occurs in case of whenever there is expansion in piston cylinder arrangement, then we will get a work positive. Now the next point is what? W is what? Negative. When W is negative, work done on the system, work done on the system or work input to the system, and it occurs, see, W positive in during the expansion and W negative is during case of the compression. So in case of compression, we have to give the work input to the system. Okay, so this is for the sign convention for the Q and this is for the sign convention for the W.